Hi there, myself Madhav Jha. I welcome you to CodeChef and let's have a look at this question.
The problem is varied digits. The problem difficulty is easy and there are no prerequisites. Let's have a read at the problem. A two-digit integer is called varied if it contains two different digits. You are given a two-digit integer x and we have to decide whether x is varied or not. So for input format, we will have a single line that will contain a two-digit integer x. As for output, we have to print yes if x is varied, otherwise we would print no. As for constraints, the value of x will go from 10 to 99, thus giving us a two-digit integer. Let's see how we can approach the solution. What we can do is, we know that both of the digits have to be different. If they are different, then we will simply print yes, otherwise we would print no. So what we can do is, we can simply take the input itself as a string and then we can simply check if S0 and S1 are not equal. If that is the case, then we would do a yes, otherwise we would print no. And this will be our solution. Let's see how we can implement the solution in C++. So for each test case, we take the input of S, that is our two-digit integer. We are taking the input as a string. Then we simply check if the character at first index and second index are different. If they are, then we know that the input integer is varied. So we print yes, otherwise we print no. And as you can see, I have AC in C++ implementation. Let's see how we can implement this in Python. Again, for each test case, we call the function sum. For each input, we take it as string and check if the first character is equal to the second. If it is, then we print yes, otherwise we print no. And as you can see, I have AC in Python implementation as well. So I hope you understood the problem, the approach, and how we can implement the solution in both C++ and Python. Have a very good day and I'll see you in the next video.